All right. Good evening. Actually, I need to do a tuning. It is Thursday, June 10th, 2021. It is Vlog 106, and I think I need a tuning. Nice. Always feels good to do those. But anyways, it is Thursday. Usually we have a chill day today, but actually kind of got a lot of stuff done today. It was kind of cool. But anyways, yesterday I started with braids. If you saw that, I had braids on. Today it was actually pretty warm. I don't know. Should I show? I will show. Why not? The current weather, because I think it's still 70. Let me see. I secretly want to be. Kind of funny. I always like watching the weather. When I used to watch the news, kind of funny. Oh, what happened? Come on, iPhone. Where are you? Nope. Plugged in. We're plugged in. Here. Let's see. Cha-cha-cha. And no iPhone. I don't know. Oh, maybe I should turn it on. That might be a thing. Try again. I guess we won. Oh wait. Maybe so. I don't know. iPhone. I don't know where it is. Interesting. Well, I guess I have no. It's not working right now. I have it connected, but it's not showing up for some reason. I don't know why. I guess I'll die. Waiting for iPhone. I guess I won't. But actually the weather, I'll tell you. Right now it's 68. We had a high of 73, but it was nice. I just actually walked to the store. I had to go grab some stuff, and I was actually warm. I put on a little windbreaker. I thought it was windy. Nice, but no, it was kind of warm. But anyways, yesterday, computer work in the morning, croissant toast for breakfast. We have our last loaf of croissant toast. We may have to order soon. And then I had to drive to DII to take some pictures of the donuts for a customer. They wanted to know which ones we had so she can pick. And then Maddie lesson. Actually, it was awesome. Maddie, we've had a few lessons. We're getting more and more closer together. And she is getting absolutely better. It's kind of cool. And she does play all the time. She tells me that. She's like, I play every day. I'm like, awesome. And she's really, yeah, she's good. We actually jammed together. There's something she said. It was kind of cool. We were just talking about, and she elaborated on what we were talking about. So it was kind of cool to hear her say that because she's listening or she's actually learning, which is cool. She's only 8 years old. It's kind of crazy. But it's fun because, like, in between us doing stuff, we have to play. It's so funny. So they had a cornhole set up. We played cornholio, those beanbag throwing things. It was pretty cool. And then we raced around their tennis court. It's pretty funny. That was pretty fun, and they all beat me. But that was awesome. Tim was there, and Stephanie got her new hat. Awesome, Stephanie. It looks very nice on her. She got the same hat that I did. It's kind of cool. And yeah, it's good stuff, man. And yeah, we had a good time. It was cool. And then Ook Social with Nikki and Dean, and that was awesome. First it was just Nikki, and I love it when just Nikki's on because she always has like, I want to do this one, I want to do this one, and we did a couple new ones. Oasis, like I hadn't shared all the songs yet with the Ook Social group because we were still learning other ones, but because of the 100 day, it kind of fast forward everything because now they're all looking at there. Hey, there's this song, let's do this one. And I was like, all right, let's go. It's pretty funny. And actually this Saturday I'm pretty excited. We're gonna do some live. We're gonna jam in live at DII at 11 o'clock, and that's gonna be pretty fun. So yeah, I'm excited. It's gonna be good to hear jam. But yesterday I did a little shopping. I got a new microphone. It's on its way. I should have been here today. I wanted to use it, but because I wanted to test it out. This microphone is cool, but it's only good for here, like right here, because it picks up everything. But like since I got the looper, I need one that works with instruments and also your voice. And I found, or they have a Shure SM57A, which is pretty cool. It's like the old, if you know microphones, I guess the old Shure, but it's supposed to be better, and it looks cool, and it's good for instruments. So I want to hear what it sounds like with the handpan, so I bought it. It wasn't too expensive, and I've just been waiting for that, and I'm slowly the looper rabbit hole, just slowly. I want to get like a little kit that I can put together and play some songs with the crew. So I'm setting it up right now and making sure I can have everything I need. But it should be pretty neat to actually play with them again, but also because I can sit and we can just jam, and I can have beats going at the same time, which is going to be really cool. So I'm trying to set it up that way so I can share music. Yeah, it's going to be fun. That's kind of weird, actually. This is weird. The reason why I started filming and editing and making movies was because I started skateboarding with kids, and I noticed they always wanted to get filmed. It's so funny. And then it became like a thing I do. Like I do videos. I'm a video producer. It's crazy. It's weird. And then now, because of the ukulele and I'm teaching, I'm learning how to produce music also. It's kind of crazy. Wow, that's very interesting. It's like the same process because I had to go through all the gear, like what I'm going through right now. Like, what gear do I need? What can I get away with? And, and share the music I need to. And this is actually, I've been collecting. I have my little amp that I got from Abe Lagrimas Jr., and I've been testing it with the looper. I can straight up loop through that, which is going to be cool. And that's what I use for when we do live jams together. I have my amp going, and then all of us playing at the same time. It's pretty cool. And then it's going to be an added benefit to have the looper because I can either put it on a metronome, and we can all stay on the same pace. Not even the beats, but I can add the beats, and it's going to be fun. It's going to be fun to jam, so I'm excited, and I can add my voice to it. It's really cool. This feature is turning out pretty cool. And then this summer I have to figure out, those are things like what to do with the ukulele stuff, since there seems to be more lessons coming. A lot of people want to learn. They're coming out of their woodwork and they want to learn. So I need to figure out some stuff. And also, part of the looper thing is going to be a part of our sound bath stuff, which is going to be cool because I can make all kinds of crazy sounds and talk to people. That's going to be pretty amazing. So yeah, that's one thing. Once I have this all set up, and I have to get my practice. I have to put my thing in and practice all the time, get good at it, and then ready to rock it. But I think I could do a few things here and there. I just want to keep on doing stuff with it, playing with people and stuff, and it's all part of my music journey. But anyways, it's another short one here on Thursday. It's already 7:30. Kaylee went to go get some food, and she's gonna be back, and we're gonna eat. So I should be pretty hungry, but we're having poke. So I've had good stuff today. It's kind of cool. Acai bowls, and then I'm gonna have poke, which is pretty decent for yourself, I guess, with brown rice, right? But anyways, let's see. Do I have anything else? I haven't checked out the birthdays in a while. Let's see. Let's check out some birthdays. Did this come on? I don't know why this iPhone's not coming on through. Birthdays. Actually, I don't have any. Oh, I don't see any right now. Pretty crazy. Alright, well that's it then. It is, show me the right day, Thursday, June 10th, 2021. It is vlog 106. That's all I have for me today. I can't think of anything else right now. I can always recap tomorrow. We always got Friday. And yeah, like always, every day, keep on strumming ukulele. See you tomorrow.